Yo, YouTube, it's a new boy on the block, Eric, aka Big E. Well, I just got my new baby in from Georgia. I found it when I went to go visit my daughter when she was having a baby. And I found this right at her front door, believe it or not. It's a 69 Ford Thunderbird. Just came delivered to the house today, Saturday, April, what is the day, the 14th? One of the warmest days of the year so far. I believe it's 80 degrees. So I got it. So I'm gonna start my work starting tomorrow. Take it up to my man at his speed shop and take it from there. I can't believe it. I've been wanting one of these babies for so long. Never thought that I'll be able to grab one and then actually have it to say it's mine. I see loads of potential in it. I'm gonna keep the original color and put a rag top on it, maybe a jade green, because the interior is jade green. It's pretty clean, got a few rust spots in it, but nothing major. But like I said, I'm new on the block, so give me a minute. The more I do this, the better it'll get. This is the interior that I gotta work with. My wife is doing the recording as I speak. Like I say, this is my first time on YouTube. I got my son to hook me up to show me how to do it, because you know I'm not that savvy when it comes to that knowledge of the computer. But here we go. Let my baby come back over here and take a look at this engine. I'll start it up later. But that's it. I got new water hoses in it already. Got new distributor caps, wires, water hose, new radiator fluid, oil change, oil filter, and new rear brakes completely redone. So now taking it to these guys, and they're gonna adjust the carburetor and do some cluster dash work. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's your boy, Big E, new on the block, in the house now. So you cats move over, because when this sucker is done, she's gonna be right. All right, peace. I'm good.